Are you looking for an easier way to create compelling, data-driven location stories without complex GIS tools? Introducing Markers, a new capability in the Azure Maps visual for Power BI. Here's how it can elevate your map visualizations. Markers capability. Use meaningful icons or custom images, dynamically scale marker sizes, customize colors and transparency, and assign distinct icons by category, all to make your data instantly understandable. Real-world use cases. Markers can be used in logistics and supply chain to visualize delivery routes and shipment volumes using truck icons. In utilities and operations, they help represent asset types, operational statuses, or outage locations. Retail and distribution teams can also use distinct icons and colors to differentiate store categories or performance levels. How to get started? In Power BI desktop or web, add the Azure Maps visual to your report and include latitude, longitude, and path ID in the Build pane. In the Format pane, go to Markers, select Icon as the marker type, then choose an icon, adjust its size, and use FX on rotation to bind an angle column for dynamic icon rotation. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.